Hello students, how are you? Good. Okay. So welcome to my next chapter, grade 12, topic sexual reproduction in the flowering plant. I hope my previous chapter or lecture is clear to you. So today we will discuss sexual reproduction in the flowering plant. Flower is a reproductive structure in the plant. So reproductive structure of the flower are androecium and the gynoecium. The male reproductive structure is androecium. It consists of the wall of stamen. After that stamen, it has a slender stalk called filament. At the tip of it contain a bilobed structure called anther. Generally, anthers are the bilobe that contain two theca, that's why known as diathecious, separated by longitudinal groove. The transverse section of the anther consists of four-sided microsporangia, two in the each lobe. Microsporangia develop into the pollen sac. Inside the pollen grain are present. Now you can see the structure of a typical stamen and three-dimension cut section of a anther. After that, structure of the microsporangia. Microsporangium is surrounded by four layers. First, epidermis, which is the outer single layer of protective cell. Second, androecium. It is a single layer of the cell, has the character of the dehiscence. It helps to release pollen. Middle layer, it is formed of 3 or 4 layers of the cell, and tapetum, it is the innermost layer of microsporangia and it provides nutrition to developing microspore. This is the picture of the microsporangia. After that, microsporogenesis. It is the process of formation of microspore from pollen mother cell by meiotic cell division. It is also known as microsporogeogenesis. The microspore formed are cluster of 4 cells called microspore tetrad. As the anther mature, it dehydrates, the microspores dissociate and develop into it. Pollen grain. Pollen grain are spherical in the shape. It has 2 layers. Outer exine and inner is the intine. The exine is made up of an organic compound called sporopollenin. It is very hard and resistant organic compound. No one enzyme known to degrade this one. The exine has a prominent pore that is known as germ pore. As the pollen grain mature, it contains 2 cells. A bigger called vegetative and smaller called generative. The generative cells divide mitotically into 2 male gametes. After that, gynoecium. The gynoecium is the female reproductive part of the flower. It consists pistil. These are the categories. Monocarpellary. Gynoecium consists of a single pistil. Multicarpellary. When the gynoecium consists more than one pistil. Syncarpous. When the gynoecium having fused pistil. Apocarpous, when the gynoecium with free pistil. After that, example of monocarpellary, pea and beans. Examples of the multicarpellary, tomato and cucumber. Example of the apocarpous, lotus and vinca. Now pistil. Each pistil has 3 parts: stigma, style and ovary. Stigma is the tip, uppermost part of the pistil that serves as landing platform for the pollen grain. Style, it is an elongated slender part beneath the stigma. Then ovary is the basal bulged part of the pistil. The cavity present inside the ovary is called ovarian cavity or the locule. The microsporangia, commonly called ovule, which arises from the placenta. The number of the ovule in an ovary may be vary. If it is one which is present in wheat, paddy and mango, or many which is present in the papaya, watermelon and orchids. Now Megasporangium or ovule. The ovule is small structure attached to placenta with stalk called funicle, and the body of the ovule fuses with funicle in the region it is called as hilum. You can see in the picture. Each ovule has one or two protective envelope called integument. An integument encircle the ovule except at the tip. A small opening present at the tip, it is known as micropylar end. And opposite to micropylar end, this is known as chalazal end, which represent the basal part of the ovule. The integument encloses a mass of the cell that is known as nucellus. These cells have abundant reserve food material. The embryo sac or female gametophyte is located in the nucellus, and an ovule generally has a single embryo sac formed from the megaspore through the reduction division. That's all. Rest we will discuss in the next lecture. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.